we found a Lexan. And we found a Phillips. This is like late 70s,
Late Lexan we got going on here.
Yeah, late Lexan.
Because the door close buttons are actually Lexan, not pre-Lexan.
Interesting, yeah.
I'm beginning to see why this one probably hasn't been filmed.
Yeah.
We'll let the door close, take it to 1, and that's it.
Okay.
I like the microwave feature.
Yeah. And that is it.